Hello everyone. As we know, in few months a new academic year is going to start and many students are worried due to that. This is because since the last 2 years our school academic years have shaped us in ways that neither educators nor parents must have dreamt of. We all know from the past 2 years many exams got cancelled which had an indirect impact on students. Means due to again and again cancellation of exams, many students have become comfortable staying at home and have started procrastinating studies a lot. So if you are also going through this situation and if you want to change yourself, then experts of Letstute have listed some tips for students as to how they can ace the academic year. To know what those tips are, then do watch this video till the end because trust us, this video is going to change you. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Get familiar with syllabus. If you really wish to ace the exam, then check out the curriculum for the school year. First, seek out if there are any changes in the syllabus. To do this, browse through the contents of the study materials. For added advantage, buy question papers from previous years of the same class and go through it. Doing this will help you to understand which are the important topics and you will be able to prepare yourself according to that. Once you get a clear understanding of important topics, then take a sheet of paper and write down a goal of completing all those important chapters in 3 months span. This will give you an advantage over other students. Tip number 2. Use time effectively. It is easy to lose track of time due to online classes, personal time, relaxation time and self-study. So, to make your life sorted, prepare a schedule for effective timetable. In that, write down all the activities that you want to accomplish during the day. Allot proper time to every task because allotting less time to the task will put you under pressure and due to that, you will not be able to stick to your goal. Also, make space for some physical activities as physical fitness is also very important if you wish to achieve good marks in the exam. Once done, stick it to your study table and tick it when you finish the task. Doing this will give you a sense of motivation for doing the next task. Tip number 3. Consult your teacher. Many students feel shy while consulting the teacher and due to this, they are not able to establish a good bond with teachers. If you are one of those students, then don't overthink because teachers are very helpful and their job is to make your future good. So without hesitating, get in touch with your teachers and take their advice on how to approach the curriculum in the present situation of pandemic. Doing this will give a good impression about you in the mind of the teachers. Tip number 4. Make a plan. Set a few short-term and long-term goals that will help you to stay motivated and focused when things get tough. After setting the goals, think of some manageable steps that you can take to achieve that goal. You can also make a journal for tracking the progress and to remind yourself about the accomplishments when you feel low. Tip number 5. Adjust to the new schedule. After a peaceful break and vacation, attending daily lectures and studying can be very overwhelming. So, don't go hard on yourself. Instead, give yourself time for adjusting to the new schedule because after a few days, when the vacation hangover will go, you will automatically get adjusted to the new routine and you will be better able to manage schoolwork. Tip number 6. Start involving. The first few weeks of the semester are the ideal time to connect to your new classmates and peers. So, form a study group that will help you to know your classmates and also help you to prepare for your exams. Also, look for opportunities that can help you advance your personal and professional goals. Tip number 7. Watch videos. Because of post-vacation blues, you will feel bored while studying. So, for the first few days, you can watch educational videos because it has been proven that educational videos help students to engage effectively and also make lessons a lot more understandable. So, these were the tips that will help you to ace the new academic year. If you are going through any problem related to your studies and in your personal life, then feel free to comment down below. We will definitely try to make a video on that. Thank you.